a giant cloud or a giant fluff of whipped cream. Psych, it's just, who would have known? Put in the microwave and expand to this.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Slow Destructive Science.
Ta-da! I am the one, the way your son don't need the...
Ivory.
Alright, so we're back at the house. Let me get this in focus. So today, we will be working with Ivory Soap. What happens if you put Ivory Soap into the microwave? Alright, dig into this. So we got Ivory Soap. Let's chop it up, give it more surface space. Let's add a few of them in there, and let's see what happens. Alright everybody, so we got our plate of soap. We got our microwave. We got the timer set to about 2 minutes. Let's load it up. Remember, click subscribe. This is our first video, so it is much appreciated. Alright, we got it set for about 2 minutes. I'll turn the lights off and let's see what happens. Alright, let's begin our experiment. Nothing is happening yet. We're starting to see some rise. We'll add another few seconds, just see what happens. What a cloud. Wonder if the cloud rains. Just joking. Alright. So let's see what we have. Alright, let me turn the lights on. I'll be right back. Alright, well, here's the outcome. We have some of the soap that did not expand. I guess we got to put it in the microwave a little bit longer. But overall, I'm happy with the scientific experiment. Who would have knew putting soap in the microwave turned it into this fluff. So again, thank you guys for watching to the end of the video. This is our very first video, so if you can, like it, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next hairspray, fire, lighter experiment. Until next time, see you later. And voila, a giant cloud or a giant fluff of whipped cream. Psych, it's just soap. Who would have known? Put soap in the microwave and expand to this.